Welcome to the pond video time, and today we are going to be adding water into our levels. So as you can see that I already have added a little bit of shield and water into our levels, and you can make your own. So I don't know if you're waiting for this, but let's get scratching. So first, so you can make your own water. I just made a simple test one in the end of our level. So now let's go to our player sprite and then add an if block. Before that, change flex and scroll wise. Then let's add a touching color for the light blue, any color of your water. Then we can add a set block, okay, not a change, because we want our player to little bit of float and sink. So put it in negative 0.50. I found that negative 0.50 is a good number. So let's just go in and cool. Now there is another problem. We can fall into the water, but no jump, because that our here. So as you can see that our y variable is already set to, yep, you guessed it, negative 0.50. So as it is already set, the setting of our up arrow won't work. So for this, we'll have to just add another if with an and operator, okay? Don't remember that. So we can put a key up arrow pressed and touching color water, so our blue color. Then only we can set our survival to 15. So let's just go there. Okay, so let's give this a test. So our falling and down are still working. We can fall in it. So I'm on the bottom, and yahoo! We can still jump. We can also still wall jump, so that is also good news. So hooray! We finally have a little bit of more life into our game. So you can add this anywhere in your level. So in the ground sprite, we can just add it anywhere in our level. So copy paste, and I'll just copy paste it right at the end. Okay. So, woohoo, we finally have this more cooler effect in our games. So, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And for the final testing, woohoo! So, in the final test, okay. So good. Now everything is working very fine now. Okay, so we have a little bit of water here. A large pool of water there too. So good. Just jumping all over these poodles. Nice. Okay, so until now our game is working. Perfect. Please like and subscribe and thanks. Bye.